Amazon lost your FBA inventory, here's how to get the missing units reimbursed. So first you're going to log in, and then of course you're going to go to your Shipments tab to see all of your shipments. And it's going to look something like this, a little bit of a mess. But what you want to do is just go to status and then go to closed, and then just filter it by all of the closed shipments. Those are the ones that you want to look at. And then once you filter it, it's going to look like this, where it shows this one. Here's an example, and it says status is closed. You cannot dispute it until it's closed. Sometimes it takes Amazon a while to close it because they're trying to find your units so they don't have to reimburse you. But you can see it says expected units. So we shipped 150 units and Amazon only received 149. So obviously they lost 1 unit. So we need to dispute this. In order to dispute it, you're just going to go all the way right here, and then you're going to click on this, on the actual shipment name. Once you click on that shipment name, it's going to take you to a page that looks very similar to this. And then it's going to show that you have this. You've got the BOL if you are shipping via LTL. And then you're going to go to contents right here. So click on contents, which is going to take you right over here. And then you can go to the right and you can see discrepancy. There is 1 missing, and you can open up a case that Amazon can research the missing units. Now, all you're going to do is submit proof of delivery, but what we usually do is submit that BO. Well, the proof of delivery is already on this shipment, so we don't really have to do it since we did it with a partnered carrier, but you can do it either way. The main thing they're going to want to ask for is at least an invoice. So prepare proof of delivery and invoice. Those are going to be your best friend. If you are submitting an invoice, make sure the name on the invoice, right? At least your name, if it's a business or it's your personal name on your Amazon account, it matches with your Amazon account so Amazon doesn't get confused. But you're going to choose a file, you're going to upload it. Once you upload it, it's automatically going to create a case in Amazon. And this is when you or a team member should be monitoring the case. So it opened up a case for us, as you can see. And the case looked like this. Let's go. So we said, hey, the units are missing. This is September 30th. It did take Amazon around 6 days to respond. But when they did respond, they instantly gave us a reimbursement. And then the reimbursement wasn't for a ton of money, right? Usually they used to give you a lot more money, but now it's not that much, but it is enough to cover the cost of goods. So something's better than nothing. Just be aware of this and then keep this on the top of your mind, because if you're sending in a lot of shipments and a lot of shipments are getting lost, you are losing a significant amount of money. So make sure that you have somebody every week or 2 weeks going through all of your shipments and then just disputing the ones that have missing units. That's going to help keep you successful on Amazon in the long run. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you do need help with anything in this video, increasing sales, or just anything Amazon, we specialize in it. You can contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll come in. We're going to be managing all of your inventory, disputing, reimbursing, calling Amazon, customer service. Not only that, we're doing your advertising, SEO, and making sure you're generating more sales in the long run so you can save time and money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.
What mother?